In this video, we are going to see how to create passport sized image which is 2 by 2 inch. So for this, we are going to use two websites. One will be this one, another one will be this one. So to create the passport size image, we have to open this link in browser. For our example, I'm going to take this as a sample image and I'm going to create a passport size image of the left hand side child. So let it be for India. Passport size is 2 inch by 2 inch, which is 5.1 by 5.1 centimeter. Upload the photo over here. Now we have cropped the part of the image. So the top blue bar should be touching the head, top of the head, and the bottom should be touching the chin. And this plus is the center part. Let me move it towards the center. Then click on next. In adjustment images, we see that some part of the hair has been removed. So let's stick to the original picture. So click on this one. Now it has created this set of images, and this is single image. Let's download this image, single one, so that we can remove the background also. So this is my image, passport image. Now let's remove the background of this image. For this, I'm going to use this website. Here, either you upload the image or drop a file over here. So you see the background has been removed. The background is in transparent, uh, So to add the white background, click on the plus against background, go to color, click on this white, then download this image, go for preview, which is free version. It is of 500 by 500 pixel. So this is my image. This is my single image. And if I have to create a passport size images set, so again, then I have to go to this place, upload, go to upload photo, click on this one where the background has been removed. Follow the same process again. Adjust the margins, top and the bottom one. Then click on next. Go for the original one again. So this is a set of 6 images which you can download. This is set of 6, and below this is the single image. So this is how we can create our images for passport size. This is set of 6, this is a set of 1. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.